Most people wait. Scalpers move. While others hope, scalpers execute. This is not gambling. This is precision. What is scalping? Scalping is a trading strategy for fast, small profits. You enter the market, take your profit, and exit in minutes. Asterisk. No overthinking. No emotions. No drama. Just execution and discipline. Stopwatch where scalpers play. Scalpers live on small time frames. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Asterisk. They trade volatile, liquid assets like gold, ZORSD, and major pairs like euros and GPUSD. Hammer and wrench tools of a scalper. Scalpers don't guess. They use tools. Asterisk. Moving averages to follow the trend. Bollinger Bands to see volatility. They trade small lots. They use tight stop losses. And they protect their capital like a weapon. The real edge. But the real edge isn't the indicator. It's your psychology. Your patience. Your discipline. Your ability to wait and strike only when the setup is perfect. Rocket outro, call to action. Scalping rewards the focused. The calm. Asterisk. The fearless. Asterisk. If you want fast profits, become fast in your mind. Trade smart. Trade disciplined. Trade fearless.